Welcome to the user guide for SwitchTester, an application under the Learning OpenFlow SDN networks for Research and Experimentation, version 1 project. Now, as we can see here, we're going to be just typing into the command line. If you only include a target switch, the switch tester only will test that switch and get the relevant results from that. If you include a profile now instead, as you can see here, you will actually be able to get a pass-fail result. Here we can see a target switch configuration file. This is just a JSON file that includes model, description, OpenFlow version number, and of course configurations specific to REU or OF test. Now the SwitchTester program will actually use whatever information is actually relevant depending on the OpenFlow version number. This is an example application profile. It's also in JSON format. Here you can see the name of the application that's to be tested. The only thing left here is a compatibility list. Now this is a list of tests that need to pass in order for a switch to have been confirmed as being able to run this application. So you can include a verbose option which will output more information for the end user. If the actual tests were being run, here in this case, you would actually be able to see the entirety of that test as it's running, with the results coming in line by line. There are other options available to the end user for SwitchTester. This ranges from the verbose option, which we already showed. We also have an interactive mode, which really just, if the end user doesn't have a file already made up for the target, lets them input that information. We also have the capability of backing up old results with B by hand, and forcing tests using F. This has been a user guide for using SwitchTester, a program under the Learning OpenFlow SDN for Research and Experimentation project. Thank you.